in the weatherman forecast, in which today's topic, as you can see here, is ComfyUI and Touchdesigner. I'm sorry that I'm talking like that. And Touchdesigner. The weatherman forecast is back. The first video that I did on YouTube, which was just a technological failure, but it's kind of funny, is up. If you want to see the advent of that original show. And here I'm going to just walk us through how one can install ComfyUI. I'll put all the links in and run it. And then in the second video for this, we'll see how it connects with Touchdesigner. So strap in. We're a minute in. Perfect. ComfyUI, as you can see here, probably right where I am, right above me. I have my command prompts ready with the virtual environment already set up. I will also link how to do that. How's my audio? Check, check. Yeah, we're good. And I launch it straight off the terminal. All you really need to do is keep a notebook with these commands, and essentially you can be launching Python scripts all day. And so we're about to get a URL. Excuse my listening nature, as in Catalonia here, it is not that warm. As you can tell the weather here. But I'm cooking. Let him cook. So, as you can see here, we're waiting for Comfy Registry to kick in. I hope my audio is not atrocious. Down at this bottom right corner, you can see my commands. All beautiful. So that's the URL, right? Gives it to you. We go into our browser. Boom, we got a GUI. We got a GUI. Just like that. And that's ComfyUI. A little simplified TV style where they bake it and show you the finished product. So that's not all. We're going to need TD ComfyUI. A wonderful plugin by... Oh, wrong search there. What are you doing, Rudo? There we go. By Oleg Chomp. Go check out his GitHub. Super useful. And so this is kind of critical what I'm about to do here. ComfyUI, as you can tell. I don't know if it's right behind me. We'll fix it. Finder. I'm going to pull it up here for you guys 1 second. There it is. Never let you down. TD ComfyUI. And there's a .json file, which is essentially your GUI template for ComfyUI. You're also going to need it in your Touchdesigner project, though. Keep that in mind. And so, just looking for the missing nodes here. Story of my life, ComfyUI. Where's Finder? Look at this guy. Looking around like he doesn't even know what's left from right. My developer folder. I'm running a bit of a different version of ComfyUI. I'm not going to get into this right now, but all you need to know is in the ComfyUI manager, there's a custom nodes folder. And that's where we want to have our custom nodes, which we're missing here. It's external tooling for this one. And it's what allows Touchdesigner and ComfyUI to connect via WebSockets. So for this one, I just went and got the code URL. We're going to get it right into the word slipping me. It's not repository. Ready to the folder location. This is a proper name for that. Sorry, computer scientists. Sorry, I'm not trying to vibe code here. The path. That's what I'm thinking. But anyway, besides the point. I've already gone and pulled up the directory for my custom nodes. ComfyUI external. And this caught me off guard actually. I wasn't planning on having to throw in a git clone here. So what you're seeing here is it's authentic. it's mistakes. It's what gets you through it, man. So I just copied there, went back into my fucking directory, beep, git clone, boom. Now we got these external tools going into our custom nodes, right? The tools that we need to connect Touchdesigner to ComfyUI. Again, make sure you're installing the proper regular version of ComfyUI. I'm doing this because I'm running backend. Not going to get into that right now. It's a different version of ComfyUI, but the one I have supplied and am supplying in the links is your standard, good old-fashioned ComfyUI. So your ComfyUI isn't, don't go there. It can get tricky. And so I pull in my .json, still doesn't have the WebSockets. So no, your ComfyUI isn't Git repo. Oh no, that won't apply here to you guys. If you follow these instructions that were on the left and install it like a normal person, heck, you can even just go get the executive or the .exe, or apparently there's a, you don't even have to touch the terminal anymore, which is great. The more the merrier, in my opinion. But I have a deep love for the terminal here in all of its mysterious ways. So in this window, you can tell that there's obviously something running right here this time. And so I just had to restart it. Mind you, I'm running a Mac M1 8 gig. That's just barely holding it together. So that's why I'm doing the weatherman forecast again, format, sorry. Because I cannot record myself explaining this while doing this. And my poor M1 Mini, I'd rather not do it either. So I hope everybody's enjoying themselves here. Any questions, comments, daily challenges, you come on over. We're an open space here. We talk about whatever wants to be talked about, unless it's birds. We'll keep birds out of the topics here. Sorry, bird.